Common noun. A common noun is a type of noun that refers to a general categories or concept rather than the specific or unique entity.
For example, pupil, teacher, doctor, and students. Places, city, park, library. Animal, dog, cat, elephant. Thing, book, chair, car.
Worksheet. Identify the common noun. Read the sentence and underline the common noun. Number 1. The teacher gave the student a book. Teacher, student, and book are the common noun in this sentence. The dog ran quickly in the park. The dog and the park is the common noun in this sentence. Number 3. My mom cooked dinner in the kitchen. Mom and kitchen is a common noun in this sentence. 4. The city library has many books. City, library, and books are the common noun in this sentence. Number 5. The doctor examined the patient. Doctor and patient is the common noun in this sentence. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel.